Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not wearing makeup because I want to do a vanity tour for you guys. I'm going to be showing you my organization and where I do my makeup every morning. This is not going to be a makeup collection video just because it would take too long and I want this video to be kind of short. But I'll probably do a separate makeup collection video in the future. And I know I have a lot of makeup. I do want to start like a decluttering series where I go through every category of makeup and declutter some items. So I will also be doing that before the end of this year. Unfortunately, a lot of the containers that I use to organize my makeup were purchased from the thrift store or secondhand, so I don't have any like links for you guys on where to get the items. My desk and my mirror and my chair, I don't honestly remember where I got them from. If anything, it was either Amazon or Walmart, and then the rest was probably purchased, like I said, secondhand. So, but you guys can use anything to organize your makeup. You'll see when I show you guys everything. So without further ado, let me go ahead and turn you guys around and we can get started. Hi guys, so this is my makeup vanity. I'm kind of at an angle right now because I don't want you guys to see the soft boxes and myself in the mirror. I'm just gonna go over everything real quickly. So as you can see, I have a mirror with lights around it. I have them turned off right now. I have my makeup brushes, my smaller little mirror. I have a plant right there and some little jars and stuff, and I'll go over everything for you guys. And then right here I just have my scarves, my hats, my purse, umbrella and stuff like that. And then if you go down, I have these two giant plastic organizers. I think I got those at Walmart. I mean, you can find those anywhere. They're pretty common. And then I have a smaller one in the middle, and in there I keep all of my nail stuff. And on the two ones on the side, that's where I keep my makeup. And in this little stool, I've had it for a long time. I'm pretty sure I got it like at a yard sale and I painted it white, but it could use some work because it's kind of chipping, but it's lasted me a long time. And then the actual desk itself, I'm pretty sure I got it off of Walmart, and it has two drawers right there. Those drawers actually don't hold makeup, and I'll show you guys in a second. But this desk is pretty good. It's not the best. It's kind of flimsy, but it works for me. So let me go ahead and get closer and show you guys everything in detail. Here I have my makeup brushes. This first one here, it holds all of my face brushes. As you can see, this container, again, I probably got it secondhand. I also have some powder sponges there, and I just have all my face brushes in here. And then this right here, these are actually beans. I just painted them white a long time ago. I just laid them out on newspaper and spray painted them white and then flipped them and kept spray painting them until most of them got completely covered. And I've had this for a long time, but it keeps your brushes in place, which is really nice. So yeah, that's that. And I also have my little fan here, so that's all in there. And then right here I just have my mirror. It's broken right here, but I still use it. And then it's got like a magnification side on this side. And again, this is a really standard mirror. You guys can get it anywhere. And then this is just the button for my lights. So let me show you. It can go up like that. And then you can lower the lighting if you want, or turn it off. One thing I do want to mention is that this mirror, I actually bought it separately. It didn't come with the lights initially. I had the mirror first, and then I decided I needed some lighting or something so that I could actually see when I was doing my makeup. So I purchased these off of Amazon. Everything that I can link, I will link below. But I just purchased these and then I glued them on to this mirror that I already had. So I just made this myself, and it looks like that. And I really love how it turned out. The bulbs were probably less than 20 bucks. And then right here, I just have my eye brushes. These are my favorite. I love my eye brushes. That's why I have so many. But I just have them in this glass container. And then right here, I also have some little clips that I use to hold back my hair when I'm doing my makeup. And then next to that, I just have my sponges. So I just have these little mini sponges and then my Real Technique sponges. And everything here is clean. So I wanted to mention that because over here I have this other glass little jar, and this is where I put my dirty brushes. So what I do is at the beginning of the week when all my brushes are clean, when I'm doing my makeup, I'll pull whatever I need to use from here, and then when I'm done with my makeup, I'll stick them in here. And then for the rest of the week, I'll just use these dirty brushes, and then at the end of the week, I will wash them all. That way I don't mix my dirty brushes with my clean brushes, and it's so much easier for me just to wash the brushes that are in here than to mix all of these up and I'll have a lot more brushes to clean at the end of the week. Or I know some people just keep them there for months and they don't wash them. So this way I can be on top of washing my brushes, and then I can choose from here at the beginning of the week all over again. So that's something I just implemented this year, and I really like how it's working. This brush and this eyelash curler is in here because they are dirty. Alright, so over here I have this plant. This was actually gifted to me. It is a Christmas cactus, and as you can see it has some flower bulbs right there, so I'm super excited. There's another one. And then in here I just have my selenite wand. I have some palo santo over here. I have my sage right back there, and then I have this black feather that I found that I use to spread the sage smoke. And then over here I just have my little coaster with my water that I always keep on my desk because you gotta stay hydrated. And then that's everything for on top of my desk. So I will show you guys these drawers right here. I just keep my stationery and my office supplies in here. This desk not only doubles as my makeup vanity, but I also use it to pay my bills and stuff. So that's why I keep this stuff in here. But eventually I want to have a separate desk and a separate vanity. I just don't have the space in my room right now. So in here I just keep paperwork and receipts. Okay, so right under my desk, I have this little space here. And right here, I like to keep my little oral care kit. And then right here, I have my ear cleaning kit that I use. And then right here I just keep this rag. I use this rag specifically for makeup. So whenever I'm doing my makeup, I just kind of lay this out on my lap or on the table. If I need to wipe my hands that are full of foundation, or if I need to clean an eyeshadow brush, I can just use this and then I just throw it in the wash and then it'll be clean for the next week. So I like keeping that there. It comes in handy whenever you need to clean something. Okay, so in this drawer, as you can see, it's my lip drawer. Right here I have my bullet lipsticks. There I have my glosses. Right here I have liquid lipsticks. And then right here in the corner I have my lip liners. And then I also keep a little chapstick here. I put this on every morning before I do my makeup, so I like to keep that there. That is my lip drawer. I know I have a lot of lip products. I definitely want to downsize, but for now this is what we have. These two containers are from the same brand, and I got them secondhand, and all the little containers that I have in these drawers are from the thrift store, so just keep that in mind. And so this drawer here is my bronzer and blush drawer. All my bronzers are here, even cream bronzers, and then all my blushes are here. I have these organizers as well that I also got from the thrift store, and I love that they fit perfectly in here, and it makes everything easy to see so that I can easily pull out what I need. Alright, so the last drawer on this side is foundations, primers, concealers, setting sprays, setting powders, as well as some face palettes. Back here I have all my face palettes, and I keep these back here instead of putting them in my bronzer drawer up here because they contain pressed powders, so that kind of goes in the pressed powder category, so that's why I keep those back here. And these are all my setting powders. I have loose and pressed powders. Right here I just have my Evian facial spray. Right here I have all my concealers. As you can see, I don't have too many. I forgot to mention I do want to do a project pan next year, so I am going to be filming that for the entire year, so that's going to be a lot of fun, so that I could use up a lot of these products because a lot of them are pretty old and I just want to get them out of my collection. Eventually I want to have a smaller collection than this. Also, a lot of the stuff I have is not cruelty free, and I decided to go cruelty free this year in 2020. So during my project pan I do want to focus a lot on non-cruelty free products. Alright, so over here I have a mixture of setting sprays, primers, foundations. So that's everything that's here. I'm going to quickly go through this little middle container here. Like I said, this drawer is basically for pedicures and manicures as well as self-care. So I keep my nail polish collection back here. I have this nail polish remover back here, and then this is a foot cream. And then right here I just keep all my tools. So I have cotton rounds, I have this little foot scrubber, some nail art brushes, some Q-tips. I have these little cuticle pushers. Right here in this bag I have little toe separators. I have my nail clippers and toenail clippers underneath there. So that's everything that's in there. And then right here I have some fake nails that I never use, and then these ones are also fake nails. And I have like fake nail glue in there, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I might give them away because I never do fake nails. And then right under here, in this little bag, I keep my gua sha tools. Maybe I'll make a video on that. And then right here, I just have these hot cold eye pads that I bought from the dollar store. I haven't tried them out yet, but I will definitely do that when I'm doing like a spa day. So that is everything in here. And then moving along to this side of my vanity, right under here I keep a lot of my tools. So I have some eyebrow scissors, I have my tweezers, and then right here I have this little tool to extract your pores from like your nose. And then back here I just have some washi tape. I use this for when I want a sharp line when I'm doing eyeshadow. And then I have this little tool to remove peach fuzz. This is from that one brand, I forget what it's called, but it's really popular. So I use that just to remove my peach fuzz. I have this little sharpener here. It's used to sharpen like my tweezers. And I have my little color switch here. You can actually get these at the dollar store. That's where I got mine. It's for when you want to use the same brush and you want to use different colors. I have this little magnification mirror for when I'm doing my brows. And then I also have this little sharpener for my eyeliners. And then I have this little razor that I use for also removing peach fuzz or any hair on my face if I want to. So that's everything that's there. So this very top drawer is kind of empty, but this is where I keep my products that I'm trying to pan. So I'm trying to use up these 3 products. They're almost done. I want to see if I can use them up by the end of December. So that's why they're here, so that I remember to reach for them every time I'm doing my makeup. And then this stuff right here is separate. This stuff is actually products that I'm not sure if I want to keep or declutter. And I like to give them one last chance before I get rid of them. So I put them here so when I'm doing my makeup, I know that I want to try them one last time to decide if I want to get rid of them or not. But eventually when I start filming my Project Pan videos, I think this is where I'm going to keep all my products that I'm panning. So in this next drawer, I have my highlighters and then all of my eye stuff. So these are all highlighters. I have some cream highlighters right there. And then back here, I have all my brow stuff, all my mascaras, eyeliners, liquid liners, eye primers, any like eye bases that you can use, colored eyeliners. So it's all in here. Eventually I want to have this more organized and separated, but as you can see I don't really have the space anymore, so that's why I had to just throw all of this stuff together. Okay, so you guys, this is my like most stuffed drawer. I couldn't even open it on camera. This is my eyeshadow drawer, so I keep all my palettes in here and all my single shadows as well as lashes. This was actually at the top here and it's kind of ripping because like I said, it's so hard to open this drawer. Alright you guys, so that was my makeup vanity and organization tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm going to get started on filming my in-depth collection and inventory for you guys. I want to take count of everything I have and I'll let you guys know how much I have. That way at the end of 2021, we can go back and see how much I used up throughout the year. So I'm super excited for those videos. I will talk to you guys later and I hope you guys are all safe and well and have a good day. Bye!